the United States now has more than 10 million.
10 million.
10 million.
10 million.
10 million confirmed COVID-19 cases. Data from Johns Hopkins University revealed on Monday show that the country accounts for
The whole world needs to be on alert now. The whole world needs to take action and be ready
For that reason, we continue to believe that the immediate health risk from the new virus to the general American public is low at this time.
We think we have it very well under control. We have very little problem in this country at this reasons.
I'm declaring a public health emergency of international concern over the global outbreak of novel coronavirus.
Disease Control and Prevention is confirming the first case of human-to-human transmission in the United States of the novel coronavirus.
We pretty much shut it down coming in from China. We have it very much under control in this country.
Increased our assessment of the risk of spread and the risk of impact of COVID-19 to very high at global.
It is not necessary for Americans to go out and buy masks.
Right, it's not going to do it.
But anybody that needs a test can have a test.
Therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
As of all we've done, the risk to the American people remains very low. We have the greatest experts.
Past 2 minutes that the NBA is suspending the season. I say that understanding.
Today I am officially declaring a national emergency.
There's a recognition of our interdependence that requires of this moment that we direct a statewide order for people to stay at home. That directive goes into...
None of the nurses are wearing masks, not even surgical masks, in the hallways when they're giving report to each other.
It's a tribute to the amount of testing that we're doing. We're doing tremendous testing. And I'm sure you're not so much, but they have to go back to work. Our country has to go back. Our country is based on that. But this is voluntary. I don't think I'm going to be doing it.
For this virus, don't you need a nationwide testing system for the virus before you reopen?
No, we have a great testing system. We have the best, right now, the best testing system. Injection inside or almost a cleaning, because you see it gets on the lungs and it does a tremendous...
Is wearing garbage bags, mask shortages, overflowing hospitals. These are the images you see coming from hospitals in America.
Tonight, Connecticut joining the rest of the nation, the last state to begin its first phase of reopening. Shopping malls,
with the World Health Organization and redirecting those funds to other
unequivocally, the recommendation is when you're out there, particularly if you're in a situation with this active infection, keep the distance physically.
The U.S. recorded its highest daily one-day total with more than 36,000 new coronavirus cases.
I think that at some point that's going to sort of just disappear, I hope. Mortality rates, I think it's the opposite. I think we have one of the lowest mortality rates.
But this is the first time that the pool, the White House press corps, which gives the media to the public, has had access to President Trump in a mask.
Rhetoric on the pandemic. Now, according to Politico, the administration has been interfering with the CDC's scientific reports on the virus.
This as the death toll in the U.S. tops 200,000, the highest in the world.
Confusion tonight from America's top agency in charge of containing the spread of coronavirus over what to tell Americans about how the disease can travel.
On the verge of seeing over 10 million infections. Experts warn hospitalizations are rapidly increasing. 56,000 people are now hospitalized, with 10,500 people in intensive care units.